I'm not going to show you all of the hookup that I did here, other than I just hooked up either side of the big red button. We're using white for a ground. And I'm not going to show you how I hook this up because doing two of them is pretty simple, and you shouldn't be trying it at home anyway. So I am not going to show you exactly how that was done. I'm going to take and show you how I made sure that I had the button correctly hooked up so that I give it a connection when I push the button down, and you got to remember to release it before you make your battery connections. And I had to choose which ones on this switch I wanted to use, and to find that out I hooked up some wires here to my voltmeter. I put it on ohms here. Out of limit there, and right now if I put it on there, it says out of limits. I push the button and we have a good connection. So I want to make sure and twist this, and we want to make sure that that's released before we hook this up to the battery, because we don't want it to go off before we're ready. So I'll get it set up outside. I've got a measuring stick here, so I got the feet marked and every inch along the way. This is the top and here's the bottom, so we'll be able to get a good number on how much rise we get when we set these two off on our experiment number.